Hi lovelies, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, as you can see from the title, we're unboxing a subscription box, and this is from the Birchbox. So if you want to see what I've got in my Birchbox August 2021, just keep on watching. Before I start, lovelies, if you're new to my channel, welcome. My name is Jayca. I'll do beauty videos like unboxing subscription boxes, beauty haul, lineup, spoiler of subscription boxes, and now advent calendars too, and more. So if you like this kind of video, make sure to subscribe. And if you're already subscribed, lovelies, thank you so much for tuning in again, and thank you so much for your continuing support. And if you're new to this subscription box, this is a beauty monthly subscription box. It costs £10 a month plus the shipping fee, which is £3.95, and you will get 5 beauty products inside, from skincare to makeup. So yes, let's open this box. So it came with this box, just a simple small box, and it says, hello, nice to meet you. I'm 100% recycled and recyclable cardboard box. It says Birchbox. So this is the design of the box for this month. It's gorgeous, really gorgeous. This is the thing that I love from Birchbox. It's their design boxes. It's a drawer one, so you can use it, reuse it as a storage, but also the design of the boxes. And this month, I think it's like a zodiac sign. I'm not sure. We will see what theme will be this month, but yes, I love the design of this month box. Let's open it. As I said, it opens like a drawer, so you can reuse it as a storage one. We have the booklet, and it says Cosmic Beauty. So this month theme is the Cosmic Beauty. Inside it says, hello Birchboxers. Whether or not you believe your path is written in the stars, astrology is a way of connecting with the universe and allowing it to guide us to our innermost desires. This August, let Birchbox guide you through the beauty universe to your new favorite products. You are made of stardust, so shine bright. And then we have all the products with the description and the prices. So let's see what I got. Some sneak peeks. Yes, this is from Hola Neon, and I have in the shade Call Me. So yes, this is the lipstick inside. I love the packaging of the lipstick. It's simple, transparent, and here is the shade. Ooh, it's like a brownish shade, and as I said, I will definitely use this one. Here is the shade. I really hope you can see it properly. This is not a matte lipstick, it's a glossy one. It's like an autumn shade, like a brownish everyday shade. It's not really that pigmented, but yeah, and it doesn't smell of anything. Definitely I will use this one, and it's a beautiful shade. Let's see what it says on the leaflet. And this one is a full size, and it's rated for £12. And this one, it says this lipstick plus lip balm. That's why it's really a glossy one. I think this one will be very hydrating one, because it looks like a balm. And it says this lipstick plus lip balm hybrid in a rosy nude everyday shade is shiny like a gloss, comfortable to wear, and nourishing like a balm with the added pigment of a lipstick. The non-sticky formula glides easily and leaves your lips plump and nourished. This is the first one that I received. And then the next one that I received, it's an open product, as you can see, but luckily it has the seal, so I leave the seal there. And this is from Melanie Mills Hollywood in the shade Disco Gold Gleam Body Radiant. I think I won't open this one. I will give this one away, because I don't usually wear body radiance one, like very shimmery body lotion. So yes, and this one is, I think this is just a deluxe sample size. Yes, this is just a deluxe sample size. It doesn't say anything in here. It has 30 ml, and the full size, it's rated for £39.50, and this is from the Melanie Mills Hollywood. Disco Gold Gleam Face and Body Radiance. And it says, get perfected summer paintings to this all-in-one makeup moisturizer and glow that provides instantaneous luminosity for the body that won't transfer onto your summer dress. Disco Gold is an antique gold shade that melts into the skin, shearing out to leave a soft golden finish with ton of shimmers. That's why I will not open this one, because if it's like a tone of shimmer, I don't usually use that one on my body. So yeah, I might use it on my face, but I think I will give this one to my family or friends. And then the next one I received here, and this is from Love Me Mad Miracle Leave-In Treatment to be your own hairstylist. It has 30 ml, just a deluxe sample size. The full size, it's retail for £12.90, and it says this all-in-one leave-in treatment boosts not 1, not 2, but 10 benefits. Suitable for all hair types, adds silkiness and shine, moisturizes and repairs detangles, add elasticity, thicken and finer hair, eliminates frizz, provides thermal protection, protects colored hair, gives a light hold, and protects against UV damage. This the claim of this product is so good, so I really can't wait to try it. It has the seal, which is nice. I never heard from this brand before, so and I'll try it and then I'll let you know. And then the next one we have here, and this is from Now Bay Detox Unpelated Energizing Facial Mist Toner. Here we go. I really hope you can. So here we go, and this one has 50 ml. So this is just a deluxe sample size too. The retail price for the full size is £16, and it says, feeling extra tired lately? Refresh your face with this skin quencher at any time of the day. Spray when you wake up, after you've put on makeup, or before bed. Made with a mixture of fruit, hyaluronic acid, and aloe vera, this facial cocktail is sure to leave your skin hydrated and energized. Let me try it. It smells really nice. I don't know what that kind of smell, but it smells really nice. But it doesn't have that overpowering scent like my Body Shop Rose Juice, which is very powerful rose scent. But this one, yes, like a mild scent, but smells really nice. Yeah, aloe vera, apple, blueberries, and green tea. So yes, it smells really nice. Definitely I will use this one. And then the last product that I received in here, and this is from Iko Black Magic liquid liner in the shade Cocoa, which I'm really happy. I'm really glad that I received this one, because all my liquid eyeliner that I receive in my subscription boxes and all I have in here, it's all black shade. So I'm really glad that I had the Cocoa one, which is a brown shade. I really do like them. But the only thing about this eyeliner that they dry really quickly. For the price that you pay, like this one, for the small product, it costs like £9, and it will last me like less than a month. Even the full size one, it lasts me not even a month, like 2 weeks, because they dry really quickly. So that's the only downside of this product. But the product itself, like, it glides easily, it doesn't smudge throughout the day, it's a long lasting one, it's easily to apply. So yes, that's the only downside of this one, which is doesn't last long. That's the all product that I received in my Birchbox this month. Let's do a recap. So we have the Iko Black Magic in the shade Cocoa, which is I'm really happy to receive it. We have the Now Bay Energizing Facial Mist Toner, which is I really love. It smells really nice. Very refreshing one. So yes, definitely I will use this. Definitely so curious to try, so excited to try this from Love Me Mad Miracle Leave-In Treatment. The claim is so good, so can't wait to try it. And then the other product that I won't use because I don't usually use this kind of product, and this is from Melanie Mills Hollywood Clean Body Radiance 30 ml. And then we have a full-size lipstick from Hola Neon in the shade Call Me. So this is the shade. Here we go. So yeah, that's all for my Birchbox. What I think for this month Birchbox. I think I'm really happy with the products that I received. The sizes, loveliest. It's not bad at all. I didn't receive any sample size or small sizes. So all travel sizes in here and one full size product. So I'm really happy with the sizes, with the products that I received, with the design of this month box. It's gorgeous. I love the design. So yeah, this month Birchbox, it's a thumbs up. I really do love last month Birchbox, and this month too, it's really a thumbs up. So I have another month, and let's see if I continue with my subscription, because as I said, I just subscribed for 3 months because they had an offer like 50% off. So I took that advantage. I thought it's really a good bargain. So yes, let's see next month. That's all for me, lovelies. And you, did you receive already your Birchbox? What products did you receive? Do you like this month Birchbox too? Let me know in the comment below. And if you want to subscribe to Birchbox, I will put the link down below. So that's all for me, lovelies. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you do, make sure to smash the like button, and if you haven't already, make sure to subscribe to see more unboxing subscription boxes. And also don't forget to click the notification bell so you know when I upload a video. See you in my next video, lovelies. Bye.